Industrial printing has never been easier. The Prestige XL2 is the most compact 24-inch industrial printer, using the latest technology and built with care to deliver 100 square feet of high-quality printing. Well-organized parts and labeled cables for easy after-service troubleshooting. 1-liter bottles with a built-in alarm system. High-quality precision checking done by top-level engineers. Perfect leveling to make sure your prints look identical on either side. With plenty of features to make printing a breeze. Film sensor to detect film and automatically stops printing when no film is present. Lower heat platen control and suction power control for secure printing. Avoid head strikes with the built-in head strike sensor. The Prestige XL2 makes maintenance easy with automatic cleanings every 4 hours, customizable interval cleaning during printing, mechanical film lever button for operational ease. The Prestige XL2. Redefine your printing.